Hi, so spring is coming and I had this plain outdoor side table and I really wanted to jazz it up. I saw some online but they're pretty expensive, so I thought this was the perfect job for my table. I picked out this flower design that I found on Cricut design. I decided that I wanted to use removable vinyl for this so that if next season I want to take it off and do a different design, I could. I started by doing my first layer of the flowers. I went with this white color because I thought it was really good. It's like a daisy in contrast to the blue of the side table. I used the hide feature on Cricut Design Space to be able to create all my different layers and be able to print all my layers in different colors. Super easy, and it also gave my flowers some really pretty definition. Also, I used an essential sampler vinyl package for this. I really love those essential packets because they come with an array of colors, so it's really perfect for a project like this. Once I had all my pieces weeded out, I just layered them one at a time.